Creating epic images and videos and even editing them has never been easier. You can do it all with just this one tool, so you won't have to pay for any other tool. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create and edit all your visuals using just this one tool. Let's get started. The tool is Fotor. Click on the link in the description box. Once you're on the home page, you'll see that it's a web-based online photo editor. Simply sign in and you'll receive some free credits. Once you're on the dashboard, we can take a look at all the AI tools it offers. If I scroll down a bit, you'll see some photo editing tools for creating YouTube thumbnails, slides, and Instagram posts. But we won't be using those for now, so go back up and click on the AI image generator. You should be presented with two options, image to image and text to image, and we'll try both of them. First, you need to type a prompt here. Once you're done with that, you can select the art style you want. To make it realistic, simply use Photography 4. You can also change the aspect ratio if you'd like. I will set mine to 16:9. After that, you can increase the number of generations and then add negative prompts if needed. Once you're done, click on Generate and it should start. It didn't take a long time at all, and it produced wonderful results. You can see all of them look ultra realistic. Now let me create more images and see how they come out. I really love these. They are absolutely amazing. Now, let's discuss the image to image feature. In this case, you'll need to upload a photo first, then choose a style.I_V selected this style and click on Generate. As you can see, the images are amazing. You can download these images without any watermarks. You can also maintain facial consistency by going back and clicking on Face Swap. After that, you need to upload your image, and then here, upload our AI girl's images and click Swap Face Now option. After a few minutes, the images will be ready. You can see how it works. This is before, and this is after the face swap. In this way, you can create multiple photos of the same influencer with different variations. Now let's animate an image into a video. Simply hover over here and click on AI Video Generator. You'll see two options, from text and from image. I'll select from image, upload the image, and click Generate. After waiting a few minutes, our video is ready. The video is very good. I will generate more videos, but this time I will use text to video. I will just use a simple prompt and generate. The result is great. These videos are perfect for cinematic videos. Now let's move on to explore the other features in the tool. Let's explore the features of the AI photo editor. You can see it offers a variety of options, so let's try some out. First, we upload a photo as an example. Here you can see a regular photo of a girl standing in her apartment. In the AI Tools section, I will click on AI Upscaler. After processing, our image is upscaled, and you can clearly see the difference. This is the after, and this is the before shot. Amazing. If you click the Apply button, it will apply the changes to your image. Next, I check some of the magic eraser options. With this, you can remove any unwanted part of the image. If you want to change the brush size, simply drag this to make it larger or smaller. You can either use the brush or the tap option. I will use the tap and select the unwanted object and click on Remove. The wall painting is gone with just a click. After applying this, I move on to AI Skin Retouch. Her skin looks even more glowing. Then I tap on One Tap Enhance, and you see enhancing the entire image. After that, I click on BG Remover and the background is completely removed. In the shadow option, you can turn it on to add a shadow effect. Now let's explore the AI Replace tool. You will choose to either use the brush or the tap option. I want to change the color of the outfit, so I will just tap on it and then write my prompt. Then click on Generate. Look at how amazing this tool is. The outfit has changed. This is just a few things you can do with this tool. This tool offers many cool options. Have you seen how you can handle all kinds of tasks effortlessly with just one tool? The best part is you can use it anytime, anywhere, because it works seamlessly on any platform, whether it's a PC, mobile, Android, or iOS device. You can get started for free and test it out. Then, if you are happy with it, you can upgrade to the plans, which is absolutely worth it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.